I've seen a lot of people complain about the way some device makers customize the stock version of Android for the sake of being different. While some manufacturers like Motorola and most recently Nothing Phone nail the UI game by offering a good level of customization with minimal tweaks. The good thing about Android is how flexible it is. It all starts with the ability to customize your home screen setup. It takes a little work, but you will end up with a unique and fresh looking setup for your Android phone. I personally have several customization apps on my Android phone so that I always have unique and fresh looking setups. Three of those apps particularly got installed on my phone, and I think you should get them too. It might seem weird to have a whole app dedicated to doing a basic task like choosing your home screen wallpaper, but it's an important one to begin the process. You can always look for wallpapers online or grab them from Google, but I like having a dedicated application on my phone whenever I want a fresh setup. Bakcdrops is a free application that gives you access to a vast image library. One of the best things about this particular application is that it lets you browse wallpapers based on category or even tags. You can even search for wallpaper by its name, so if you happen to know the name of a particular wallpaper from someone, you can easily find it. Bakcdrops also gives you the option to save the wallpaper to your phone for later or use it directly from the app. The free version of the app offers pretty much everything you need, provided you don't mind putting up with some ads occasionally. KWGT Custom Widget Maker lets you create stunning home screen widgets, and you may have heard of it. Contrary to what the name of this particular app suggests, you can also use it to load pre-made widgets on your smartphone. I've been using widgets from different widget packs like Juno, Coda, and Fusion, but you can always find the ones you like that work best for your setup. One of the best things about KWGT is that it lets you pick up elements from different widgets and create a custom one. You can even customize those preset widgets and tweak them to your liking. The app also lets you save your custom widgets so you can always go back later. KWGT is a free application, but you will need to pay for the Pro key to access some useful customization options. It's a one-time fee, which is well worth the money considering it offers so much value. So you've selected a wallpaper and picked the right widgets. Now what? Well, you want to put them together in a way that looks and feels right. You will have to put on your creative hat to truly customize and make them truly unique. Palette is your one-stop hub for finding customized home screen setups. Not only you can use this particular application for inspiration, but you can also find all the information you need about a particular setup, including the wallpaper, icon pack, and the widgets in use. You will find the direct links to every asset used in a particular setup, or even a complete backup file in case you need to replicate a setup on your phone. Palette is available to download for free, but you will need to pay a one-time fee to access some premium features, including the option to download the backup files of setups that are showcased on the app. There are of course other ways to customize your home screen on your Android phone. There are so many other tools like icon pack, launcher, and more that you can experiment with to get you the look you want. Let me know some of your favorite apps and ways to customize the home screen in Android. Feel free to drop them in the comments down below.